illegal houses.
See, the bill is going to come up. The day we presented the bill is going to come up today, and that's the time we will basically explain to the house. This is basically on illegal construction or unauthorized construction, whatever we call it, in government land. So Alvara, Mokaso, all the lands which are in possession of the government, this bill will basically take care.
And who will? They should have to apply, or you should have to.
No, they'll have to apply. See what is going on. I need to basically, in the bill is on the table of the house. I need to basically explain to them. So in the evening, once it's over, then I will give it next.
सर लाटंबास एक रोड केला तो तांकां मामलेदार तांकां हे दिना कोण ओनर हा प्रॉपर्टीचे ते सांगना तांकां अशें पंचायतीन एलिगेशन केला सरपंचान लाटंबास इलिगल रोड जाला न्ही तो तांकां मामलेदार तांकां ओनर कोण हा प्रॉपर्टी त्यांचे लिस्ट दिना म्हणून त्यांच्यानी आरोप केला काल.
See, I have not got anything to my notice. The moment I get something to my notice, I will check on it.